Today is New Year's Day here in MelaMagiq Land, a special time when the whole land wakes up with new dreams, new quests, and brand new adventures. Happy New Year from everyone here in MelaMagiq Land. I've missed you so much. Did you miss the magic too? I know it's been a while since we last played together, but guess what? The land and the magic didn't sleep. It's been getting ready for a big magical upgrade, and I have so much to show you. Come and check out our new treehouse. Meet the Treehouse of Discovery. Isn't she beautiful? She's more than just a treehouse. She's alive with magic, wisdom, and wonder. She listens to our questions, transforms when we're ready to learn, and holds the portal to MelaMagiq Land. Some days, she becomes a barn to teach us about animals. Other days, she might turn into a fire station, a bakery, or even a rocket ship. But no matter how she changes, her heart stays the same, rooted in the Everoot Tree, connecting the real world to MelaMagiq Land. And guess what? It's also the home of Ms. Willow and Mr. Spark. Ms. Willow is a gentle forest fairy who loves teaching with nature. She can grow glowing plants with just a touch, and she always has the best crafts. And Mr. Spark. He's a magical firefly who zips through the treehouse with puzzles, play-doh, and hands-on fun. He once built a tower out of cookie cutters and jelly beans. Together, they help you learn and solve a challenge. That is the way that you can gain access to open the portal into the land. Let's take a look inside. Now this is Miss Willow's learning room. She teaches us all about nature, science, and how to care for the world around us. We craft, we explore, and sometimes we even make potions from flower petals. It's peaceful, magical, and full of surprises, just like Miss Willow herself. So this is Mr. Spark's learning lab. He's all about hands-on learning, puzzles, play-doh, inventions, and imagination. When Mr. Spark's around, things light up, literally, and every challenge is a chance to create something new. Want to know something interesting? That hammer over there. It's the activation key to transform the Everoot Tree into whatever we want to discover for the day. But we can't just use it anytime. The Everoot is magical. And just like you and me, it needs a little energy to get going. To power up the tree, we have to feed it magic, and that magic comes from you. First, we need a few curiosity crystals. Those appear anytime you ask a question, like, what do firefighters wear? How does a smoothie get so cold? Why do leaves change colors? Next, we collect some sparkles of knowledge. By solving puzzles, building crafts, or helping Mr. Spark and Ms. Willow with their learning task of the day. And finally, we wait for the Wonder Wisps. Those show up when you're feeling excited, proud, or full of joy about what you've learned. When all three magics are collected, the Treehouse of Discovery knows it's time to transform. Let's do it together. On New Year's Day, I like to think about all the magical things I learned last year, and all the new things I want to discover this year. I call them my wonder wishes. To activate the feast, we need to feed the tree something meaningful. So we are going to start by sharing something meaningful that I learned in the past year. Want to join me? Come on. We learned how to make jungle soup with Ellie the elephant. We learned how to be a good friend. We learned how butterflies grow. Look, she's glowing already. Wow, she is sparkling up and ready to transform. As we step into the new MelaMagiq New Year, bring us to a beautiful celebration hall. Our friends will join us as we feast and make our goals for the new year. Everoot, let's go! How beautiful! I hear a doorbell. I think other guests have arrived. Let's go see who it is.
Hi, friends. So nice to meet you all again. Let me reintroduce myself. I'm Zuri. I'm so happy that we are stepping into a brand new year with MelaMagiq. I can't wait to teach you all something new this year. I have so many fun things planned for us. Please stay tuned. I know we've been gone for a while, but this time we are here to stay.
And I'm Sophia, the science fairy. It's so nice to be back.
Last but not least, I'm Min. I'm great with numbers.
My dear fairies, it's so nice to see you. Thank you for joining us today. Now, I saw Ms. Willow and Mr. Spark around here somewhere. let's reconnect. Mr. Spark, would you like to say hello to our friends and welcome them back?
Oh, how I'd love to! Hello, friends! It's so great to see you again. So you've seen the new treehouse, huh? Can't wait to have you here to visit. See you again very soon.
Oh, Mel'Ani, are you getting back to working with the children again? How wonderful! Hi friends, what a great way to start off the MelaMagiq New Year! This is going to be a great year, I just know it!
Yes, Ms. Willow. It is going to be a great year for sure. Well, friends, we are going to get started on our feast. Before we go, please stick around to enjoy our MelaMagiq New Year's Day celebration song. Oh, I almost forgot. I have an announcement to make. Our grand opening of our MelaMagiq Eats food truck is coming very soon. Tune in because we will be serving great magical food and learning right from my magical food truck. Thank you all for stopping by today. We have lots coming in the future. See you next time.
It's a brand new day in MelaMagiq Land. Time to rise, take a dream by the hand. Glowing leaves and a sky full of light. We're stepping into magic, feeling just right. Yo, wake up, it's the start of the year. Got sparkles in the sky and joy in the air. Miss Willow's in the treehouse, crafting her plans. Mr. Spark got the glitter in his busy little hands. Gather round at Everoot, stories to share. Dropping wonder wishes like we just don't care. From the whispering woods to the crystal caves, we dance into the future, bold and brave. Feast of Discovery, light up the night. Dreams on the table, stars shining bright. Every question's a door, every wish takes flight. In MelaMagiq Land, everything feels right. Yeah, yeah. Let the memory leaves grow, take it nice and slow. New Year magic, let the good vibes flow. Zuri got the lesson, she flying like a queen. Min mixing magic with her sandwich routine. Sophia's got a scroll full of knowledge and fun. And Mel'Ani's glowing like the sun's just begun. We don't need fireworks, got glitter in our step. Floating in a treehouse where the rhythm never rests. Counting all the things we learned last year. Now we're setting new goals, crystal clear. Feast of Discovery, light up the night. Dreams on the table, stars shining bright. Every question's a door, every wish takes flight. In MelaMagiq Land, everything feels right. Go Mel'Ani, let's go! Let the memory leaves grow, take it nice and slow. New Year magic, let the good vibes flow. Magic sandwiches and glowing juice. Glitter smiling with the self-love truth. We're tried, but we still shine through. Because doubt can't stop what love can do. Take a breath, make a wish, light the sky. It's a new beginning, you and I. You're the spark, you're the star, don't forget who you are. Let's go far, let's go far. Feast mode on, bring the snacks and beats. From Alphabet Village to Sweet Street treats. We don't just party, we learn while we play. Building better magic every single day. Crystal Guardians watch, ancestors cheer. It's the start of a bold, brilliant year. So take a seat at the treehouse feast. We're serving love, knowledge, and a side of peace. Feast of Discovery, light up the night. Dreams on the table, stars shining bright. Every question's a door, every wish takes flight. In MelaMagiq Land, everything feels right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let the memory leaves grow, take it nice and slow. New Year magic, let the good vibes flow. Let the good vibes flow. So here's to the magic we're making this year. To the love and the learning and letting go fear. To the love and the learning and letting go fear. In MelaMagiq Land, the future is bright. Happy New Year to all, and to all a good night.